Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the introduction to classes. So all programs require one or more classes that act as a model for the world. For example, a program to track student test scores might have student, course, grade, all those classes. Our real world concerns, students and their grades, are inside the program as classes. Now, we represent each student as an instance or object of the student class. So this is object-oriented programming, meaning programs are built around objects and their interactions. An object contains state and behavior. So basically, the object, okay, you have an object, you have a fields, which is also the state, and then methods, which are the behavior. So I honestly think that right here, like you'll probably be confused, like what are they talking about? So fields, I'll just tell you right here that they're the global variables, basically. The variables declared at the very top of the class. Those are state or fields. And then methods, we've seen the main method already. It's like this, except you have other methods, which here you don't really have a method here, but we'll learn more about how to do methods, how to use methods, how to write methods, all of that in the future. But classes are a blueprint for objects. Blueprints detail the general structures. For example, all students have an ID, courses, uh, and all courses can enroll a student. So an instance is the thing itself. So this student has an ID of 42. This course enrolled that student, etc. Let's review with another example. A savings account at a bank. What should a savings account know? For example, the balance of the money available. Or how about what should the savings account do? It should deposit money, withdraw money. So methods, you can withdraw and deposit, and then the state or the fields are going to be the balance. So imagine two people having accounts that are instances of the savings account class. They share behavior, how they deposit and withdraw, but they have individual state, their balances. And even with the same balance amount, each accounts are separate entities. So in our text editor contains a complete class definition that will build up as we progress throughout the lesson. Run the code and see it in action. So before we run it, let's see what it does. So we have a class right here. Right here, yeah. We have a class right here, and so this isn't the whole class. The class starts from right here. It ends all the way at the end. So we have a class store, and we have some state variables or some fields, if you will. We have a constructor, which we'll learn more about in the future, and then the main method, which we've already used. So as you can see, we can basically use this information to print out stuff. So it's a little more complicated of the thing. Let me see. Okay, I did lose connection. Let me see if it works now. Might have to refresh the page here. It's fine. Alright, run it. And yep, that's how it works. So if you want to go through this, take a screenshot of what it's doing and what it's printing. Go ahead, but we'll explore how to write all of this. So don't be too discouraged if you don't know what this all means right now. And yeah, so in the next video, I'll be sharing the syntax of classes. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.